Hello student. Today I am going to discuss work energy theorem. As we know, energy neither be created nor destroyed. It can be transmitted one form of energy to other form. According to the principle of work energy theorem, it states that work done by a force acting on a body is equal to the change in kinetic energy of the body. That is W equal to half mv square minus half mu square. So work done by a force acts on a body, whatever work done on a body, that is equal to the change in kinetic energy. If velocity of the body changes, then work will be done. If there is no change in velocity, or if the body is moving with constant velocity, then according to work energy theorem, work done will be zero. So we are going to prove work done by a force acting on a body is equal to change in kinetic energy, that is final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, or we can write initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. Now we are going to prove now. Say we are taking a body, F be the force applied on a body of mass m moving with initial velocity u. After time t, the velocity of the body becomes v, travels through a distance say s. Now you see the diagram. A force F is applied on a body, on a moving body, because body is moving with initial velocity u. So F is the force applied on a moving body which is moving with initial velocity u of mass m. When force is applied, then its velocity changes from u to v. From initially it was u, now it changes to, it becomes v. If the body, when force is applied, if the body displaced through a small displacement, then small work will be done. So let ds be the small displacement of the moving body, then small work done so we are writing vector form F dot ds, small work done. Since force and displacement is same direction, so angle is 0. So F A dot B equal to AB cos theta. As you know, A dot B equal to AB cos theta. So F dot ds, so F ds cos theta is 0 degree, so F ds. So when F be the force applied on a body, if the body is displaced through a small displacement ds, then small work is done. That small work done is, small work done we can write dw equal to F ds. Now, according to Newton's second law of motion, we have F equal to ma. So now we can substitute. We are replacing F by ma. So we'll replace F. We'll put ma in equation 1. Hence equation 1 becomes. Hence equation 1 becomes dw equal to ma ds. As you know, acceleration, A is acceleration. Acceleration equal to, you can write dp by dt, acceleration, dw equal to m dp by dt ds. Here we are changing dp by ds, so ds by dt dphi. Just we are interchanging dphi and ds. Also we know that ds by dt is velocity, b equal to ds by dt, it is velocity. So we can put dw equal to m v dphi. So this is the work done by the body by the force when the body displaces through a small displacement ds. So small work is done. Now total work done. To find the total work done, we have to take the integration of equation 2. So total work done by the force to increase its velocity from u to v is given by dw equal to integration of equation 2. We are integrating equation 2, so dw m v dp. M is constant, so we are taking outside the integration. Integration formula is x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here if we integrate dw equal to m, integration of v, power is 1, so b to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So it will be b square by 2, lower limit, we are putting, I forgot to already, u upper limit, lower limit u, upper limit v, u v. So lower limit is u, upper limit v. So w equal to, we are putting the upper limit m v square by 2 minus u square by 2. Now we are replace v, we are putting u square by 2. Therefore w equal to half m v square minus half m u square. Also you can write half, or w equal to half m u square minus half m v square. So this is the proof of work energy theorem. So again I am telling the statement. So work energy theorem. So it states that work done by a force acting on a body is equal to change in kinetic energy of the body. Here work done by the body is equal to the change in kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, or initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. Thank you.